Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. If the boot menu F12 doesn't work on a Acer laptop, then you will not able to install Windows from the boot menu. I will show you how to solve this problem. So stay tuned. We will shut down laptop. Then we will press the power button and we will press F2 for BIOS setup. We will go the main and scroll down, select F12 here. F12 is disabled. We will enable it. F10 for save and OK. Then we will press power button. Then we will press F12 for boot menu. It will work. Here you see. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.